This is the screencast to demonstrate the final task, which is to route all the requests to the stable version in case of any monitoring alert or which crosses any threshold. So right now the proxy would route the request as follows. One out of every four requests will be sent to the staging environment, which is the Canary build, and now we will and the Canary version is developed such that it takes a really long time to send a response. So, and we will just try and show you that. So right now I'm just gonna send, okay, these are the production ones. Probably this would be, yeah. So as you can see, this took like 2 seconds to roll because we have a sleep code where a sleep statement in the code where the code sleeps for like 2 seconds and then responds. So this Canary version took a little time to send a response. So we get a monitoring as well. So right now, please pardon our really ugly debugging stuff. So we still have all of these instances which are present in the proxy, and we just show what our monitoring looks like at this point. So it's going to take some time to get some monitoring details. So by the time we're just going to like create a new alright, so we have a first monitoring response. So we are running a cron job right now, so which is going to be run every 2 minutes, and then we're gonna call this monitor cron.sh file, which is going to call the new relic API and then get us the details. So right now the Canary is still alive, as you can see. Okay. So the Canary is not dead, as you can say, because the value is false, and that's because our thresholds are such that whatever results we're getting from the monitoring output from New Relic, we think it's fine if that. So I'm just gonna go back and show you. So yeah, so these are the values, and we think average response time for 113 is fine, and even the error rate is fine. So we have coded it such that so I'm quickly gonna make this change, and let's just expect to have a response time of less than 50 and error rate if it's greater than 30, then we kill the Canary. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push this code, and then it'll be built. So I'm gonna pause. So we are done with the build, and let's just go and check that is so the Canary is still alive, and then we're gonna look at like how New Relic sends us some responses. So right now the status is similar to what it was earlier, but since we pushed some new code, we're just gonna wait for a New Relic to respond and for the cron job to execute. And I think then I should. Alright, so we have average response time to be 113, and let's just see what the status of the Canary is. Okay, so it took a little while for the reddish to be reflected, and I think it should be working now. So the Canary is dead, and now let's try and print out the range. So right now we still have all the instances running, but as soon as I make a request for and as a route to the proxy server, then I should be able to see the change reflect. So as you can see, I've got rid of the staging because when I route my request to the proxy server, it found out that the Canary is dead, and therefore, so it's right here. So it's just gonna flush all the code, flush all the instances, and then flush the staging environment basically. So now you can see that all the requests would respond like really quickly. So this was our demo all about. Thank you.